Low growth conditions, rising costs, and shrinking margins, especially in grocery and fresh, are squeezing profitability. At Altron, we love retail. That's because as South Africa's technology leader, we know that South African retail is world-class. Rethink the way you invest in retail tech. It's time to shift from owning hardware to managing performance. We love finding ways to reduce unnecessary costs. Our retail store as a service solution doesn't just replace hardware, it redefines how your business budgets, operates, and grows. With strategic integrated services, you can free up capital with an OPEX-based model, eliminate downtime bottlenecks with guaranteed service levels, and simplify IT management across multi-store operations. We love making your shoppers even happier. Because at Altron, we love retail